back to the Mini Boys TV, and guess what? We are starting our new YouTube channel. It's called the Mini Boys TV, aka Sunday Funday, and I am very excited to start. So, wait, we're missing someone.
Wait, what's going on here?
We're starting our new YouTube channel.
Oh, can I join?
Oh, fine. Come on, let's go. So, we're going to wash our hands before we put on our aprons, and it's gonna get very messy. So we're gonna have to use aprons so that we don't mess up our shirts. So, let's get started.
And it's about to get messy here.
Okay, so right now, if you don't know why we have all these ingredients here, it's because we're making brownies for the honor of Father's Day. And don't forget, what do we have to do before we make stuff?
Wash your hands so you don't get dirty.
Yep, so let's wash our hands. So everyone, just remember, before you do anything, wash your hands because of Corona, and Corona is just like moving forward to the next thing. So
and killing everyone in this
We just
world.
need to wash our hands frequently so that we don't get that disease. Okay, so let me tell you the ingredients so that when you want to make it, you can make it anytime, anywhere. So first we have perfectly moist German chocolate cake mix. And second we have caramel, which is Daddy's favorite. And we have melted butter, we have sugar, we have chocolate chips, we have moisturized milk, and pecans, whatever. So, and let's get started.
So we don't want horny ones, so I'm just gonna have to like put this back where it came from.
So now that Izzy's doing what he's doing, we're gonna start off with the evaporated milk. So we're gonna pour the whole thing in, and this is my favorite part because it just looks like lava coming out of
No, you left your slippers.
Now we're going to put this butter. And Izzy, when we're done with this stuff, you will do the honors of mixing. How about you? You can do the pecans. Izzy, get the pecans.
What?
It looks like chocolate.
Oh, this is gonna be so yummy.
Ah! Now it's time for the mixing.
Subscribe to the other video that we did with the brownies.
Yeah,
and give us the button and give us 100 million likes.
And subscribes.
And hit the bell too,
so you can see all of the notifications and know when we upload. Okay, so I'm gonna bake this while Izzy is mixing. I'm going to bake the stuff to 350.
Doesn't that sound yummy?
350. Now we're gonna start, and when we're done, we're gonna tell you guys what's next. So Izzy's mixing. Okay, so we're done cutting it in half, and the oven's ready. So we're going to get this bad boy into this plate, and we're going to start putting it in the oven to cook. And let's get started. It tastes so good.
Even when it's not brownie, it still tastes so good. Imagine if you were making this, because it will taste so good. We promise.
You guys have to make it. If it tastes good, you have to subscribe.
Yeah, you have to make it. But not with caramel because it's yucky. If your parents like it, give it to them if they want it. Comment down below if you have brothers or sisters.
And if your parents like caramel, comment down below too. And I really want to know how your parents like it. So when they like it, they might have to like make it on your birthday. Sometimes probably on Mother's Day, Happy Anniversary Day.
Or Father's Day.
Yeah.
Also comment down below how many toys you have.
No, actually comment down below. Have you ate brownies before? Because if you haven't, it's fine. You still get to comment about if you have brothers or sisters or your parents like caramel.
Look.
So now that we have the brownie mixture, we are going to put it in the oven for 8 minutes. So we'll be back in 8 minutes.
Peace.
Hey guys, we're back and we're halfway done. So we just need to put this on. We just baked this brownie batch for 8 minutes. Now we just have to pour this in. Then we're both gonna pour in chocolate, and after that we're gonna pour in the next batch of chocolate of the brownie,
And we're gonna flatten it
and flatten it. So let's get started. We're done pouring the melted caramel on top, so we're going to spread it out so that we have a good mixture. So I'm just going to spread it out while Izzy's going to finish spreading his other stuff. And then we'll put the batch on, and it looks like a brownie sandwich. Now we're done with the moisturizer. Okay, so just make sure, because this is every single child's favorite thing. Chocolate chips.
Yum, 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 yum. It's also on cookies.
Yep. So what we're gonna do is just sprinkle it on.
Not just like take this and pour the whole thing on. Sprinkle it like.
Sprinkles.
The almost last step is that we're doing this part, and then after this we're gonna do the sugar. So
we're gonna, and then put it in the oven. So right now we just need to put this second batch on top.
Just like we did the other one.
Carefully.
Very carefully and not break it.
here. Turn this.
Oh, 3, 2, 1, go! Epic fail! Epic fail! Oh no!
It's a big fail. Oh my god. Okay, so we're done with this last batch of brownies. And what we need to do is just put it in the oven for 350. So we'll see you once it's ready. Peace.
Wait, not peace yet. We're still doing something, but we're putting this in the oven. And then we're gonna peace out.
Ugh. So get ready for the fire.
Like when I put almost my dude. How'd that get on there?
Cause there was
Mom!
Okay guys, just for a reminder, this is cooking for 20 to 25 minutes on 350 Fahrenheit. And we'll see you later. Okay, so this is ready, but it needs to be at room temperature. So it's gonna be an hour to cool down. So once it's cooled down, we're gonna pour sugar on it and we're gonna be done. So see you in an hour. Peace. It seems like forever, but the brownies are done. It looks delicious. And before we eat it, we're gonna have a taste test.
Yeah.
So first, let's pour on the powder.
Whoa, so yummy. Look at that.
Look at all these.
Look,
guys.
guys, look at my hands.
They're so.
Look, oh my gosh, it's like so yummy.
I love the taste of sugar.
Yeah.
Have you guys ever tasted sugar before?
Yep, because
Comment down
sugar's
below.
inside snacks.
Comment down below
Yep.
if you like sugar.
Yep, because sugar's so sweet.
But parents, if you guys don't like sugar, comment down below you don't like sugar or you don't eat sugar.
And guys, come on if you have sugar at
If you
home.
parents love sugar, then comment down below you guys.
And guys, comment down below if you have sugar at home.
Comment hashtag sugar if you love sugar.
Because sugar is so yummy that you can like eat it like this. And then
The taste.
it like gets in your brain. And then it's like,
Okay, now we're gonna have the taste test. Every child's favorite. So let's start. I want to go with this one because it has more sugar.
and I'm gonna go with this one. Yum. It's very good.
No, I give it like 1,000 likes. It's very good.
No, I give this a 10
Even though I
out of 100.
Even though I don't take the sugar, I still like it because the caramel is like giving more taste, which is why I like it more. And also, the nuts I'm tasting, it gives it like a little crunch. It has like a little crunch to it.
Guys,
That makes it fun and crunchy.
let me show you this board.
So if you guys or if your parents
Hey guys,
are
look,
watching
see
this
this?
right now,
This is a big boy right here, which is so yummy.
if your parents are watching this right now, or you are watching it, share it on YouTube, share it on Instagram, Twitter, all kinds of stuff. share it on all of those apps, and
Also with TikTok.
you have to share it to everyone so that everyone can do it and everyone likes what we did. So I gotta say, it's very yummy. I like it, and it's super sweet. Okay guys, we're done with the taste test. Now, you guys are gonna leave, but I wanna tell you first before you guys leave, smash that like button, and don't forget to hit the bell so you get all notifications and you know when the Mini Boys uploads a new video. So, peace.
So yummy, right, Noah?
It's good.
Huh? No, the back, Noah.
Oh, I guess that you guys left, but you guys are back. But I gotta say, these are so dope. But you guys, if you want it to be like more romantic, something like that, you can like stack it up like this. It's like cool and yum. Also, I want to tell you that if you guys really like our channel, why don't you subscribe to our channel and give us 10,000 subscribers. And when you give us 10,000 subscribers, we'll do a 10,000 subscribers celebration. Okay? So don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the bell so you get all notifications and you never miss a channel that we upload. Peace.
Noah, can I tell you something?
It's a video. Powder Bay.
Bye, guys.